What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, boy, I'll be a warrior going on TikTok right now because them have a saying what them say. You never see smoke without fire, my people. And watch what I go on now. Remember yesterday, Mama Rich did up a GX link up on something. You know what I mean? And she say, yo, a friendship and rare. Right now, my people, it look like say them start a series, but Mama Richard said it's not a series fake. You know what I mean? A sleepover and cook for them something that I go on. You see me? It still can be a series still with people because this kind of up out of nowhere, we never see this coming. At least me never see this coming. So we are going to watch what go on with them and with Keke have several people. Keke and Sky Diamond also have a thought. So we are going to get in that also, my people. We also have Rosealee. I make them know straight up say, yo, the only people who run off TikTok are she and Akeem. You see what I say? So we are going to hear what Rosealee have for several people. We have more things because the Lion Man and Keke did have it out a little. You see what I say? And what else I have? I have a couple more things to share with people, but I just not remember. So here I go on. When you're not hearing the intro, you definitely are going to see that the video. So make we kick it off for people. I'm not going to talk too long. I run through that one quick and fast.
Somebody's a cute man or fairy. Exactly. Oh my God. When me do donation, like, oh my God, Shanti, thank you. Yo, I'm doing donations. I go Westmoreland, I go St. Elizabeth. Dummy, after this, you're gonna be gone. Come on.
Sorry.
You want me to show you? I'm gonna show him from live right now.
Sorry.
Huh? What are I'm sorry. I'm making sure that. Dummy, you can't make me feel no way, dummy. Dummy, you can't make me feel no way, sweet boy.
Let me show you.
Cause you're cute and you're over here as a beggar.
Not sweet boy. Not me a rough youth. You feel like, let me tell you this, Rochelle.
You're a pretty boy. Move from here.
Let me tell you this. Let me make sure, Carl.
I'm mute, dummy. I'm mute, dummy. I know you want to hear what you have to say. I say me I live my life and I'm happy and owner like that come bite me. Cause when I come over here, ball crash out over man, I wanna say man say man no want me and man hate me. Say me come on with my ugly man, me alright with my ugly man. My ugly man make me alright, I'm happy with my ugly man. Hello? When me did have cute boy in a uniform and the things I'm gonna run down. Marriage, stay with the boy cause I'm marriage. I be a bun, I get bun to my bun up and no relationship where you can't run from bun. But at least I am okay right now. You see, as long as me get a red flag, I got me gone, you know. Right now this old baby mother drama, I got me gone, you know. Slip slide, you know, me now stay right, you know.
You should drop in.
So I can't stay there feel like me I go sit down in and I think slip slide gone.
No, I'm not.
1 foot in, 1 foot out. I am happy, I am glowing, I am okay. Me alright, what the problem? You don't want to see me sad, that's what you want to see me sad. Me I beg on a donation for God Trelawney now, guys. We got Westmoreland, we got St. Elizabeth. Me have $250 to buy goods to Trelawney. You see over here full up now donate to help the people.
Rochelle,
what?
You think you mute me?
I did. I just
You shame?
Who?
Just yes or no, you shame?
Come mute you, cause you're a joker. A Trelawney time. Yeah, babes, a Trelawney time. Make a mute dummy, cause there's like something I fi do you. Something I fi all I do you, dummy. Like, oh, yo, you know what's crazy? Let me tell you with TikTok. They want me to live my life to please them. All this time I was telling them that I move on with my life, you know. True me not come show a plate, show a man and thing and do the things them. When did a laugh after me. It's just that I should have shown him myself. And that's the problem. That's the only thing me vex when I wanted to show him on my birthday. When we fly out. And he can't go anywhere you want to go in the world. He can go everywhere you want to go in the world. My moderator says I've done, so let me done. He's not looking at visa, dummy. Have status of foreign. He can go everywhere and work big picture of a friend. He not look no status for me, dummy. No status he not look, baby. So when you talk about where look green card and the things them, no, babes. Me don't help them. Them the days they done. I'm living my life. And I'm happy. Me love. And I'm my front. So I do whatever I want to do with it. I am arming with helping man days. Done chat. May I live for me. May I live for me, chat. How much time when you see me cry? When you're tired to see me cry? I feel like when we're moving on. Trelawney time. Trelawney time. Triple chat. Yeah. Eyes of elegance. Just when a woman move on is a Odette. One Odette badness.
So
One Odette badness. You know, say Odette contribute to bad.
So Rochelle really
You know, say Odette contribute to buy the whole heap of box food for the people. Them guys don't follow me number one. No girl test.
begging us something, begging us something.
No girl test.
Begging us something, begging us something. Anyone wanna give me something? Let me ask Rochelle some wicked question right now and make sure I have to run.
You will tell you can't question me because I not explain myself to none of no sad girl over this. So no one see girl ball and ball in days done. When you see me no lick me in my face.
Yeah. Rochelle, last time somebody said that they in Florida, you know?
Floor, no girl can't floor me.
Oh, you're
My
bad.
life and I do whatever I want. Yeah, me's a bad girl.
Oh, what you say?
Oh. Me I play a game now, mommy. Me don't know, mommy. Me don't know. Me don't know. Sure, mommy, me done. My mother said done and me don't know. 1,200 down over here and I literally can't contribute to children donation.
Double
That's
chat,
crazy.
double.
Guys, me I beg on stop more time. Odette, you can't shame the crowd of me and send me something
Leave
nice.
Rochelle with her rap back man. Rochelle happy and in his perklet. Why don't come over here and tell me if you ask you man question? Yes, we see saying he has gone so like rap man already. Leave the man alone.
The rap man they make me happy. Clock that tea. Yeah, cute.
And I don't know if to text somebody baby
And
father.
don't you have a Dolly nasty.
I don't have a girlfriend.
You have a girlfriend.
What's she there?
Me no know. Don't you could do to let me feel bad, baby.
Oh, we gonna feel bad.
I'm making me say. Anyways, and him nah, yeah, glamour. Yeah, that's the ad part. That bun them in nah look no papers. Hey, I sweetest thing that.
Me I look papers.
You are looking him nah look it.
I say go.
Yeah, I try to be funny. You're not funny because you see if I did really genuinely happy, my Udo and laugh after you done me and my Udo and mock you.
Girl.
But it's okay. I true. It is not on type. I'm glad say. And when he picks up and he look cute, I only say, what?
There's no fix up and look cute in that.
Because.
Better this stick to number one.
Yeah, actually, in a uniform and in a clothes. Cause I remember when a girl and take bun them over here like me, and when the man them in a uniform, when I'm frightened for the man them. So I'm suing them uniform. No worry on yourself. I'm suing them uniform. I'm soon see it. Cause my manager for one company, I'm soon see it. I'm mute him, chat. No worry, my work for something in June time. Every day you get up and worry about me and church, and you know, sister phone sin lock up in a closet, dark. When you know, sister phone life are rotten and God not even want to see phone face. Alright, moderator, call me. Jesus Christ. Alright, mommy. I swear, mommy, I don't know. Watch out. Mommy, watch out. Watch out, mommy. Watch out. See my mother here, cuss me. Watch out.
Alright, my people, one thing my officer saying, to each his own. Everybody do whatever makes them happy. Yes, I say, but more want to know realistically tell me in the comment section what you think. Yes, I say about Rochelle, where I say, you know, getting in a next long distance relationship. You see me, because people, I'm gonna tell you something, man. You see, long distance relationship, it rough, it hard. You see me I say? And remember, you know, she wait how long for finally have the near wish part she there, and them can be a family. And as him forward, so, you know what I mean, it mash up. You understand me? So, trying a next long distance relationship, and the process I got even longer. You know why? Because she's not divorced as yet, so she have to go file for divorce him, You understand me? I know she can. Me no know if she can marry the right away after she and Denier divorce, and then them have to go wait on that to go through. You see me I say? So it's a next long. Sometimes we have to just cool off and you know what I mean, make the right decision and don't work off of impulse or where the people them I think you want to prove them wrong. You see me I say? You have to take your time and pick up back the pace and do what you have to do. But tell me what you think, my people.
Where should I get mad? Listen, zip your mouth, mommy dede. What? It's a hard road to travel and a mighty long way to go. The internet will build you and it will break you down too. Well,
I'm done. After today, I'm done. I swear. I'm done. Me ain't not tell them no. Me think you that come here look one mommy speech because I want mama carry on pan the app and you don't the drama.
let me
Me
tell
should
you
tell them
this.
your mind and done it.
Let me tell you
Me
what
should
I
have
want to this
say
over here. Cause me see
something.
so now try me go. Let me tell you what I want to this.
Go feed up tape.
Let me tell you this.
You
Rochelle
don't me tell
move
them.
on to better. And if a girl happy, make sure stay happy. Cause when she a ball, it will want to bring her down. And it will want to drag her and tell her how she big and sad and careless. Let the girl stay happy. If the man a take care of her, make the man take care of her. If the man
And
a
if
treat
me
her good, make
sad
the man
and
treat
my
her good.
sadness, and if me
And
want
if
ball,
she's
me can come ball and my ball. Me not feel happy. And una alone for be happy.
and that me I say, Lord the girl a big woman
Why
and
me
she
can't
want
be
to live her
happy?
life. Make she
And
live.
if you want to come ball and tell me say you no work out, you should be a girls and cry with me.
Them down pan body man now left him baby mother. So what?
Me don't
So
want to see
what?
nothing there, mother coming out of my father. Sorry, chat. Russian, what is wrong with you, man? What is wrong with you? Jesus Christ, Russian, mute your mouth. Mm. Alright, you know what I left this? Barky shot. Come off on my phone, dummy. Come off of this. Come off of this. Come off of this. Come off of this. Bombard. Come off of this. I'm gonna play a match with my friend. Come off of this. Come off of this. Come off of this. Oh, Tada. Come off of this. I'm just in love. I'm just happy. I'm doing me. I'm just living like, we can't be happy. Me I go ball, you know. Watch me go ball. Me a ball. Come see say a ball and I want me ball. And then I want to see me happy. Me a ball. What if it happy, me I go cry. I'm gonna play one more. I'm gonna cry. We say crying day is over. All right. Anyways, guys, we're going to Trelawney now. We're going to Trelawney. Oh, guys, see my mother buy for Trelawney, them, my dear. My mother, dummy, me busy now. Me busy, dummy. Let's see that this is how my mother buy. My mother says she get her money today and she buy Pampers and yesterday my mother buy.
So you
My
now
mother
let the baby
buy
daddy
some
him. Alright.
for
Now put
Trelawney
you in a
already.
courthouse. Serious thing this now.
Dummy, if you put me in a courthouse for friendship on, cause you told you could become mix up for man. And you think if you put me in a courthouse that I gonna do nothing to me. Mama want a hype and a fame off of the internet and she get it. She must feel glad. You know how much people want to call my name to get us some views. And mama finally call my name and get the views to backside. How long you think that I me run this? When me come by every day come beg. Like you think you could run this shit if you're not a beggar? You do it. Like let's do it. Come on here every day. Thank you, chemo. Let's see how long you gonna keep up. Let's see. I could go 40 days and 40 nights. My babies is doing great. My mother take care of me putting them. So when I fly out, I'm carrying my mother with me, I pay that boy. Bae, you ready? I'm ready. You wanna buy ice cream? Ah, I love you too, baby. I'm just happy. When me sad, me sad. And when me sad, I'm not gonna know me sad. I'm not sad right now. I'm not sad. I'm not sad. Roxa, you still got the movie? Eh? Eh? Hello? Don't act like you not hear me, I call you. You still got a movie? Eh? Wow! Hey! Me say I go and laugh today and ball tomorrow. I'ma cry tomorrow. I'll be crying. I love him too. Eh? Oh. Oh. When I went to West Thursday, my idea where can I go to bring the care package? Just go in our zone lane. Like, don't go up on the roadside. Psst. Don't go up on the roadside. I true, you see me, I go pray on this. Because I realize that they want to see me sad. I'm going to pray on it. My crying days are over. Psst. My current days are over. Be for real now. Let's be for real now. What wanna say? Go in a one lane. Yeah, go away. Oh. Eh? If I that alone, what? If I that alone, did I get if you're leaving? What you mean? Like a wave? Because I said bye? It's like you have to deal with the issue first, and then we deal with what we have to deal. Like you have an issue, yeah? Huh?
I'm gonna get married.
You just want the people in your vibes.
Like me tell her, but don't do that.
But I knew my life. What? Okay. Okay, I got you. I got you, my friend.
Pum picture with her. Oh, she gets so close to the man's phone. When me buy her,
Yeah, them
The
might know
girl
the
do
comment
not.
sections, yeah.
Anyway, I'm not tell her. Listen,
Not pay them number.
if that girl did have a
me
pum
not
pum
buy
picture of
her.
me, you should have sent it out already. Me can't wait. Me want to see that pum pum
So me
picture then.
ask you something.
Me want to see that
The
picture then.
phone.
But let me tell you something. I understand where the people them are say, Rochelle. You know, you come from one relationship where it was turmoil
That not have
and
nothing to do with
positivity.
them, Urban. What that have to do with them? Them not see how the man do me pan. You know, me not understand. I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna come off.
Let me
So
finish
you know
now.
if
So
you
them
know
I
if the
say, like, I know nothing about them. I tell you, it might not be what you wanna hear, but it's not nothing
it don't
bad. So
matter like they're going
you're
to say
gonna
anything regardless.
move on in peace.
It,
Don't
and
move
why
on
not
with
tell me
a
to be
bitter baby
careful?
mother
Why
where
no one tell me what to do?
a bitter baby mother where gonna be a
Okay.
pestering and a
Me
bad.
not gonna stay in another relationship there with the drama.
Okay.
Me not gonna stay in another relationship there with the drama.
You say you can't tell us.
No,
Ask them
no,
first.
I'm not.
Well,
Me
at
not make
that,
no sense me I live
Ask
from
them.
one thing to the
right.
next.
So at
Me not
that
gonna
we
live
are
from
say
one thing to the
Rochelle
next.
because
That don't
we
make no
only are
sense.
we only are look
Everybody
out
you're
for
too
your best
wicked.
interest
Block anybody.
and
Block so
your
many people.
your well
Yeah,
being.
me understand here, and that makes no sense. Oh my God.
Alright, my people. So, I want you to tell me in the comment section what you think, right? Because you all go on, my people. See, we can talk and say this and say that, But at the end of the day, Rochelle got through what she got through. You know what I mean? We don't know how she feel. You see me? So if this can ease her pain, well, she do her thing. You know what I mean? On a level, my people, I want you to just make me know what you think. Because on a level, as me say, we can feel what she a feel. And that's the biggest thing. You see me? So whatever she do, if ease her pain, well, she a do it for ease for her pain, you know what I mean? She a go face the consequences later on. Because the people, long distance relationship are wicked thing, Me I tell you, especially now that she's married and then she have to go divorce. She married again, then wait again. A whole heap of waiting on something that Me I tell you no. So you tell me say this a boy you not go cheat on her. People, That's why me tell you say when it come to cheating, me don't feel like say woman fi, you know what I mean, look on cheating too bad, cause some of the time, you know, not some of the time, when it come to man will love a woman and him just want a broke. That's all him want. And that's all him go to the street for. But when him get it and the woman find out, is him not no good. Let me know what you think.
Gonna leave from a toxic relationship and going on in a toxic
Yeah,
relationship.
that's exactly what I asked you the first time. If you plan to continue, listen,
No, me not
the
continue,
guy
no
might be the
drama.
best guy in the
All
world,
right.
but you see,
So
just
no,
like when you
yeah,
have a toxic mother-in-law when I like you and them know want your peace, I be
Right.
it's like 10 times a mother-in-law. Cause you
That
can't
is
the
true.
pretty
You're
young.
right.
You have 18 years of drama for go through. So it's like, you know,
Exactly.
the guy could
Yeah.
be the best thing in the world and him do the best. But when you have a baby mother was out forget you and she start, she not get to know you.
She start
She
already,
not
and me I
get
tell her,
to
say she
see.
not plan for done, you know. She not go plan.
That so that
She not go
next time
plan
you
for
get,
done.
are you gonna
and where she love the media already.
Yeah, she get me. I tell her, get in.
Yeah,
That's
so
what
she a
she
come for
wanted. I'm
you.
telling you. That's what she wanted, and she get it. But me want to see how long she gonna keep up
So
with it for come there every day.
and that's what I was saying
But my peace
before.
come first, and I totally get
Right.
what you guys are saying.
yeah,
No,
that's what
and
he said.
me nah, you see, my happiness, I am genuinely happy right now. Me a glow, me alright, I am happy. But the drama, in a make no sense, me continue come out as something for going on. Like when I say hot fire for going on,
Yeah,
hot
that's what
fire jumping a hot tile or whatever on the class, you know what I'm saying?
yeah.
So it is what it is. I am very happy, and no cannot tell me what to do with my coochie. It's my coochie, cause when man did I rev out them penis, wanna laugh after me over here, and giggy, and laugh after me. So if I want to move on with my life and give anybody I want to give my coochie, I'ma do just that.
All the girl like baga
We
baga and
want
never
you to
she. We
move
never know
on,
say
but
she
we
that
want you to
yet.
move on in a peace. We
We,
want when you move on, you can come pack style and say, see me upgrade,
me,
you see me
me
level up
nah go
here.
partner
No
style urban, cause man a
drama, me
wicked.
find a better
Man a
man,
wicked.
and him
Urban,
cherish me and
oh,
love
that
me.
me nah go ever urban in way me got panda up here. You think me go really boast butter man?
Again.
Urban, me not drop my guards down because I don't know what man is capable of doing. Them a wicked CM way urban, and then we stay them and in baby mother and day, and by the time I look I told them there. So you really think me go drop my guards down? Me nah go do that. You see baby mother, it's like how me have that the man there to deal with fi until Bessie and Chosen get older. Any girl when I talk to her figure deal with me, you know. But me
But
not go create
you're
no
not planning
drama.
to be a
Me not go
problem,
plan to
though.
create no
Are you
drama. Me
planning to
not
be
go
a
plan to say,
problem?
you move on with the
No,
life. That's what me not
me
go
not
come
think
with no
Rachel
video
is
and
a
no girl
drama. Me not
face. Me
think she's
not go
a
do that.
drama, baby
Me go be
mother.
happy for him and more you be happy for me.
Me not think Rachel gonna be a drama, baby mother, cause
I
she
will
done done the
I
first one
swear on my
already.
kids. Yeah, me not going to be no drama. Man, move on with the like. Me tell you now, my this me have one last thing to say before I come after this. Me tell you something. You see, if me for sure on some things that happen behind closed door, I'm gonna ask that question. Why does every time me in a one drama over here, such one always squeezing himself to be seen and look at attention?
What did he
Every
say?
time I when me and Kay have drama over here at that thing do.
Please, not some
You know,
other
see it
Gemini
in do it
over
under
here, please.
style, urban in do it under style. In do it under
Where is
style,
this man
under
here?
style. Right now, go over in page, go look, and you tell me if that boy ain't a troublemaker. Him a trouble me in a urban, but when we come up and open my mouth, them say,
Oh,
oh,
in the
Him,
yeah, classy boy when I
balance.
look for
In the
you.
him,
balance.
Yeah, classy boy when I look for you. Yeah, classy
so
boy when you see, but you
Rachel,
know, see when him
at
a
the
do things under
time, wait
sight.
now, at the picture when post when say, girl, I go give her this something and it a go hurt that.
You know, no, I'm saying like the things them that he does on the
Oh,
comment section, or the comment section, they make it seem like me, him a talk all the time and he entertain certain things and do it on the side slick. Like after everything, every time me in an argument,
but
him post
Rachel,
the things them
let me tell
and
you
make
something,
and
baby
then make the
girl. Let me
comments.
tell you something,
Huh?
I wouldn't worry about him because I
Me
love
not
him.
worry about it, but me I go bring him down. Can go like him cute and him not cute. I be a one man me there with girl. Be a one man.
I'm a you be that boy, don't worry about nothing, my
And
girl.
that mean what? I mean not chat to nobody cute. I mean always bring them off. What you call it? What you call that something there? What you call that? Beauty and the Beast. Me not chat to no cute boy. I mean always bring them off. Then
Ah, boy.
the whole of them warm. The whole of them ugly. And like you a tell, and them don't ugly. Cause when me and them together and we take a picture, we cute. Me not argue with no girl pa ya. Uno afraid for post up phone man because you know so phone man attack to the time and hurry. Uno leave me alone. Me open up like Ivany. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright.
I'm saying just don't pass. But see if you go check Papa done me.
Oh.
Think Auntie Rush done me some love water
No,
at
Russia
home.
understanding man, but she got pick up for herself. She will take accountability and still pick up for herself. Black anybody was the me a trouble Rochelle. Anybody you saying me here to know see? You know, we up on the live just attack and then go say, oh, we bring down Rochelle and then black anybody will say me a trouble Rochelle.
That girl when you Mali come, so I think I remember the word. I'm gonna say, "Man, black without the blood clot." Me, I'm gonna rate over here so cold.
You should have
Female,
put it out there. Should
you
have
see
find a way
female
to put
right
it
now,
out
I go
there.
say any and every year.
She a wait for Russian to come.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. For the level, my people, we feel like say Russia should have try to find a man, America, because that's how she live. You see me, the back and forth every minute and all these things. Yo, me no know still you know people, but me not feel like say, you know, I not put no mouth on these people relationship. I hope it work out and the thing go through as quick as possible to get him over there. Him are the one for sure say yo man can married, go foreign and stay with them woman. You see me? So let me know what you think my people. And this a drama here with the man, woman you know, Jaja. People, let me know what you think, make watch some more.
Oh, go and go check yourself. You have STD. Like, for show you how she bitter. You tell her, oh, you bitter. You gotta tell me, so if you go and go check myself, me have STD and everything. That means, say, you have STD too.
Maybe she give her baby daddy something. Maybe as a warning.
Like, you're sick too. Like, so if me as woman, I may tell her the truth. So when me upset, me I don't say anything to the man to make him feel and sound like
But
like
at least you
shit.
can go check out yourself
Yeah?
here. You can't take them the things they like.
Yeah,
Me.
cause if she did that with the months ago and she tell her something, maybe or something she tell you.
Maybe I could.
She can be a bitter baby mother for true, but you know, I mean, I take them the thing they lightly.
Yeah, she have something man I tell you, cause if she said that, she must know what she give him for give.
Nobody wants to say anything. What they say, what anything that they are right. Say somebody with the man, come and get him. And me there, so what else still no can clap when the man there. So when anybody who want to crash out, crash out. Me love this for me too. My humble too. The only thing I can do is crash out when I left the man and go no back. But as long as me there, so Ziggy, and if you stop calling my phone and I see me and my man out. Me and Jakes the out, so one baby pan the black. What you want?
Yeah. So that's the answer me. My girl say black man my girl. Black man my girl. My girl think me like you know. I swear me you want to know. What a Jake to bumbo clot. My child my girl.
And
David, yo, normally you used to say good man, they say good man, David, good man again. You find love.
I find love as I come to Kingston in less than 2 weeks.
Bumbo clot. Them wicked. Them wicked.
Yeah, run a match. Let me show you say you fall off.
Mama see now. I say me fall off.
Guys, so tomorrow, want to go in tomorrow, 12 o'clock, and I go cook for me new man. So he's coming over at 12 o'clock tomorrow, and I go cook for him. So I want everybody follow me. I want to follow the page, guys.
You cook for Jake?
Yeah, I go cook.
Hey, move your blood club. I want to see that.
So from tomorrow, guys, Ziggy, come, babes, come.
Jake.
Well, not easy.
Yeah, my father.
We are do, but somebody with ivany and bumbo clap.
You feel away about that?
No, but you
Yo,
oh, he doesn't feel away. He can't feel away. The done there, so Barney, where you go sell later. The man not care. The man can't say care. Crazy.
No, sir.
Come back here, so babe. Sit right here. Come sit right here.
Rosealee, I'm going to burn up your blood clot.
Come.
Jake. Say Jake. Acha, the man find love. Bumbo clot.
You have to find love somewhere.
Father! 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 You, hey! Mama Rich, you find it? You find it? Chat, you not begging. Yo, chat in type one happy. Chat in type one happy.
Thanks, everybody. Yeah, thanks. Guys, great
One rose, chat, one rose.
You want to bring your clothes tomorrow? Me I go washing clothes them tomorrow in a bad pan. No machine. A king should be treated like a king. So tomorrow 9 o'clock we are wash. After we done wash, we are go cook.
No, so hold on. This is our new series or a lover keep.
This is not a series. Series is fake. This is a real life thing. You know, see chemistry.
So hold on, he must say more. Yo.
Guys, you think you win them Ross?
Active. Yo, he must say.
Me don't talk. Me not
be a question to ask you now.
Ziggy can't win and me dey talk. Me don't know.
You can't win. You can't win Nigeria. Oh, you gonna win. You can't win. What's the worst of you?
Over here and I go make Ziggy want have 5 people win. Me I go see if a son will eat me on TikTok.
And eat Mama Rich. Me have name. I want to lifestyle.
You not have nobody over there. Me have 1.3k people.
You know no sense. Me active over here. One active over here. From active over here, nobody else now feel over here. Yeah.
Listen to me, please, because it's the truth. Me I go see something.
No, she get to it.
They lose.
No, she get to it. Yo, Vans. Chat, oh, shall win. National. No, she get to it.
Ziggy, I forgot for what you want in a life.
So you want Jake to go for him?
Yes, me never make no obstacle block me.
National! Sorry, National!
We go shopping already, so we buy the matching pyjama, everything to sleep together. So tonight we don't have a sleepover.
What you say? Allah, you a bumbo kartel.
Now, it's why we are go wash outside with the hands, whole school up, we know the no machine thing. Me I wash him and rinse and spread out. After we done wash, we are go cook. And we are go sleep and matching pyjamas.
Chat power top.
9 o'clock tomorrow, the washing start 9 tomorrow. Me don't know about UK.
Yo, National, let me say no. More of them three don't get to know that in general. National.
And by next year, January, watch out for baby shower because baby is on its way. Baby number 3.
What?
This baby go name Shantua. It's an African name, Shantua.
Marriage.
Yes, I gotta show the world that this real, me love him man, and me go feel me in my hometown, and you know butterfly feelings. It's such a feeling to be in Jamaica. I'm at the seaside, as y'all can hear the sea. Even the sea happy for we. You can hear the sea.
Hey!
Meanwhile, Ivany over in America crashing out.
Stand for your pum pum cheek. One more rose shot. Mama Rich don't have no fear. Mama Rich don't have no fear. Just take him there. One more rose.
I want me take Jackson can't left. He not have a left because me go grip him good.
The foot are easy on shoulder.
When me give Jackson front, me go grab him. Him not left. Him half his
one more rose.
Alright, the people, tell me what you think in the comment section. As we say, we don't talk much, so I can watch some more.
So me go see which bad girl can come for Jakes.
Bad bro, what if I respect him, Jenna?
Triple me team.
You can't beat her for me. Chat to the carrier chip there. Damn, she get to it.
You're not hot, nobody now. So guys, use the triple guys, you're not hot. You don't have no content come off our internet.
What TikTok come to?
If a cross is a bring, Yeah, one of them girl has a grandma named Crash and dead. Me can't argue with you, your whole soul. All kind of crossy, fuck you, rat fuck you, puss fuck you, dog fuck you, donkey fuck you, everything fuck you in a one, in a that the one pussy there. Sky fry, anybody look at you, then can't tell say you have a deep well. Sky, you not have no tight skin. You're fluffy like a fish. Your pussy floppy like a fish. And then you look like when they take fish out of water and dash them pan shore. Hey girl, you have no tightness in you. Use the triple me chop. Me done my vocabulary now. Yeah. When me done with una dead girl. Oh, Sky pussy they flop like when I take fish out of water and put them pan shore. Rat foot that, puss foot that, everything foot that in the one little pussy there. Oh, Sky not all dirty self pussy. Sky can't argue with nobody. Sky will fuck for America and still miserable. You been a sell pussy and still miserable. Girl, if me fi sell pussy like una money, me show no where the game is done. Because me couldn't get on the internet and argue with a girl wanna have it. Why not be on the yacht drink? Pass it back like Hennessy, give me there. Pass the Hennessy as a little girl wanna nah do nothing. Hennessy we a drink and I eat fish, so me left me fish here. Why you do? I clap your bottom, miserable girl. Bird of feather flock together.
Jamaica blood clot mattress. Every man fuck you, whole a town fuck you, whole a see you, whole a barbz.
If I say me not ambition, no ambition. Low life.
Madman fuck you for anything. Party man fuck you for anything. You have a Jamaica mattress pussy.
Dirty shit in a plate, girl. Then girl a man shit in a them mouth American and them company.
Right now you have to Rosalie pussy. When you drink up for that anything, they kiss Drake.
Cat one,
I want to have my
everybody jump a road. Guys, everybody jump a road to get his speed.
When you walk and take up
everybody jump a road to get his speed.
Jake funny for that woman, yeah, man. That girl is not serious. She don't want Jake.
Nah, nothing to do with me, the big one.
A cloud shallow, a bunny shallow.
Na the board house. I water gone and the pussy in the toilet and have no water for flush the toilet, so you think. Guys, that's why the pussy in the toilet and have no water for flush it. Are you that?
Your man is a beggar bitch. You think it's that must be have a man where then? You come go like you there with a celebrity, you there with a footballer, in dirty girl, you there with crackhead blood clot Jakes and Rosalie to poop in her mouth and tell him to go over.
Me I don't play the match and
blood clot Jakes, so don't want a blood clot.
Guys, use the chip and make me jump.
As a big blood clot, man, I think it's about
to Jakes. Any day they get, I can't take off the filter. I'm
looking at
I don't need no lash of different fuzz here.
You come go like,
insect looking girl, you think like a grasshopper.
You know by a bed yet. Cause you know where to put the bed.
Take them down.
You can't argue with me, fuck out, y'all. We have take Rosalie blood clot man for popularity and it still not work. Dirty y'all. Eh? James have a bed. Your man a footballer. Your man a blood clot footballer. Your man own business. Dirty y'all. Eh? Your man do 95. Your man walk and beg me go angle the dirty y'all. War blood clot time later me go angle the bitch. Let me go angle the fuck out.
Oh God, man. Big one. The girl never serious, you know?
She's still not serious. The girl know when she do she work and that's why I not start cuss her. You ever see nobody a cuss her, I not cuss them? The girl at work, the girl want say, beg her to give me one galaxy for cuss.
Alejandro, Alejandro.
How this name Alejandro?
I'm jumped now. No, she never serious. That's something else. Me know she never serious. I tell Sky send a pay no man because she never serious. She was just joking. Cause even now I joke me around me the part. No, she take where Ivany from. But me I walk. Me just go up on the internet foolishness. But when she say a real life situation, me shut up. Cause it no concern me no more.
She not do no real life situation. She don't want Jake. She want a bust.
Well, anything where at this point she wants something and whatever she wants, she's getting it. And she say a real life situation, so me shut up and leave it alone.
Should have to kiss him a while ago and make me see.
Big one and me no want sick, I never think to do with me.
And barbz. I know Chantal get a smoke on a popcorn machine yet. Oh. I want to move. Maybe it's with man and our man and woman want go. Now being short when I care for blood clots here. I want to move. Christmas and next month. Shanton and Bar want clothes and boat. No, Shanton I get the popcorn and the snow cone machine yet. No, yet I'll know. Some of the world are come talk about 1, 2, 3 roads coming for what exactly? Maybe it's with jets. Me just call money, me just call my one go look on the internet. When I'm in the car with Keke, me call him. And him answer me. Oh, I don't know what I feel like. I'm in a look on jets. Top right my pussy clock name. Like I don't know. Well, in I would one good movie channel. Why if you go on the road now because I'm going to have to go to business. The bully fuck it already, you don't know. You know what I'm talking about? Then me could have go on a date with man in a taxi. And me, they tell you already now. And me and Akeem net. The style I'm puffering. That's what can do that say. No, the style I'm puffering. You see the style I'm puffering. What we create, I eat them around now. Who got date in a taxi? Barry, Barry, come on, baby. Style I'm puffering. Style I'm puffering. Me and the boy alone create them is not for run down. I'm the one doing. It born no. Style and puffering. We create. You know about the Red Bull? I go to them can't buy me a Red Bull. Style and puffering. Style and puffering. I mean, the boy alone pump on the net from straight pay memories. And we are little to that pay for long and fall away. You know get that. You can't get the style and the pattern. Because when two people like each other, chemistry there. One go study physics class and we could give a case of we could give a one little injection of kind style and pattern. You know, fake like blood clot, but the talks me have on. Style and pattern. Style and pattern. Style and pattern no blood clot. Style and pattern. Yeah. What's up? You can't say that right now. What's up? How are you?
About oh my god, Drake's have a beautiful smile. Love Drake's, love Vanya and Drake's friendship. That it's just always good things. So me personally feel like she just said that and just not have a choice but for just go be cool with her baby.
Alright, the people, tell me what you think in the comment section because people, let me tell you something, man. You see, TikTok, enough of them women here, seeing them build a story and come sell with. You see me? Most of what them are going with, not truth, not in it. I just for entertainment and I just for them get coins. You see me I say? Ivany, remember, you know, Ivany, I search, you know. Ivany, the top search till he find Jakes. I want to look at thing I go on with she and Jakes where, you know what I mean? Then now Keke see what I go on and join in with Jakes. So now for the time we are look on Keke I say boy Keke come push up our nose in a Ivany and Jake something. When a them plan, when them a plan behind the scene and them a do what them a do for entertainment and for kinds. So we can't really, I don't like Keke like that, you know. Tell me what you think with people.
Daddy, maybe her plan is to just show people say she can't always friend him despite the way them have and nobody on the internet can't stop she from talk to him. Maybe worse like how all our ups them are friend with him like people like me when me and her in a things. So probably she approve her point so she can't always talk to him despite we and him a play. Or maybe she just genuinely fuck with her baby father and then just live good. Then just live good pan up. I me actually like to see the unity. Me like see them play match and can get along. Yeah! Sheens, thank you, that girl. Guys, use the triple. Sky, me I tell us say Allah, Rosealee, Susan, that is it 3 times, guys. Put up his score, them a come. Chat, them a come. Chat, shoot. Thank you, Jesus, chat, shoot. Guys, shoot. Jesus Christ, chat, push up his score, them a come. Money gun snap. Money gun snap. Chat, them a come. Money gun Jesus, Susan, thank you. Oh shit, them step on the wheel. Because of Sky, Jesus, 3 times. 3 times, listen to the Jesus, shoot. That's it. Guys, let me tell you what I want. Come here, talk too fast. Listen. Line to line, me I tell you. You see, when Rosealee said Drake, no one fuck. Rose Drake say, what you just say? Me looking at the man, yeah, me I tell you exactly what I want. You know why Drake was shocked and I asked Rosealee what she just said? Let's search for that. Because him just beat it up last night and when Juni drink her liquor, she can't control herself. First of all, Rosealee not even the joke that day. Then me I tell you now, in my opinion, me see right through the man, me know what the man I think, me know everything will happen. Yeah, me I tell you, you don't have to work with me, I tell you, but me I tell you, them are tricking me, that they still dead, the relation. One time, Rosealee and Drake are bring down them one another, me I defend blood clot Drake for my life. And true believer coming at my box and tell me, say, Drake just gone a KFC, gone buy KFC for Rosealee. And me I say, but me I say, nothing wrong with that, because baby mother and baby father. True me blind and different the little wicked scammer man. Me see him for himself when Peter gave the round him. Me see right through him. You don't know about scamming? You're not involved in them things that your heart clean, you're good. It's a couple must say days or so after Rosealee did ask Drake's about fuck. Alright, since them a fuck and Drake's girl they look like they fuck already. Why Drake's a go ask Rosealee who she up on the phone with and she said this and cut. Gloves. Guys, use the gloves, wait.
Listen.
Use the gloves chat, use the gloves chat, use the gloves team. Come but do not Sheens, thank you so much, I appreciate you. Use the gloves chat, use the gloves. Chat, use the gloves, guys, gloves. Shoot me team, Sheens, thank you. Shoot chat. They're gonna snap you know. Man, pop. Pop. Sheens, thank you, that girl. Thank you, Brazil. Thank you, everybody. Chat, listen. Chat, listen.
Baby, how you call her like that?
I should cut him off. Money, we're joining another. There is a video. Let me pause it, guys. I look for my phone. There's a video. We know about the video when rosealee said to Drake. We know about the video when she asked him, but Drake's never saying one. It a lie, not lies, a pure lies. And she end up jump and end up start cuss out in blood clot. Remember we review it over here, guys. You remember? That double. You remember? Rosealee said to Drake, say, me want fuck, and Drake say, what you just say? And she did a laugh. And me a show her the evil laugh. And I tell her where the laugh means. She a laugh. And then she jumped and started classing. Remember me showing her over here, but me I telling her. Media highlights change your mouth. Kaya change our mouth. We see all of that, we know all of that. Show with the video where you say what Drake say. Show with that video. We're fine. Show with the video where you said Drake say. Well, I remember where you said Drake say. Yes, guys, let me show you. I have to show you. Can't be see that video where Drake say nothing. I have to show you. Yes, I mean that explain to you where they look mean. They look mean. We go find show you. They mean look. They look mean. That's the way they look mean.
Alright, people, let me know what you think in the comment. Make a watch some more.
Me just fuck you last night, Juni. What is this you're doing on? No, I've never said that. Triple chart. Blood clot. I've been my mother highlights. But you know, so never media highlights. We sit here. Sit here, guys. Alright, me fit for media highlights over there. Sit here. Shot triple. You the first pretti. Let's see what it is. Yeah, me showing it. Yes, you the first pretti. Triple charge. Let me just show. See laugh there. Alright. You see when Rosealee say, me want some fucking on my pussy, and Drake say, what you mean by that? You see that look here? See where look mean here? They look mean where your blood clad say Juni, and you know me fuck it out last night. And them things you do when you drink. Just straight from the point. Show where you say Rose says sister. You said Drake's. What's guy this a Drake session? Remember square. Remember man. Chat triple. Push up the square. Triple T. Yes, and she love. She would have kill it. We review already. We now go right again. Review it again. Just show people whenever they are with me at top. When Rosealee said me feel like me want some fucking on my wall. And Drake say, what you just say? Here are. And Rosealee, Drake's a girl look, the scam look. Say, Juni, you know, we sleep every night. Yeah, fuck up a mission to scam in media. You know me, you're good, you don't need to do this when the live end. And me, I beat it up. Yeah, them are wicked, them are criminally, all of them. When Drake said that? Them are work together, the two of them. No, I've never said that. When the live end, the two of them good. Them are scam, you know. Them are crook. Yeah, me, Sky, it's not scam, it's called content creating, it's not scam. That's easy, you people know. Tap up his scream, guys, tap up his scream. Them are work, them are teamwork. Team player, them good shot them in. That's not scam, that's called content creating. Content creating can be anything. Content creating is when you give people what they want to see. Some people, alright, some people that love to see Drake's and Rosealee be good friends. And some people like to see them toxic, right? Let me give you a good example. Let me give you two examples. Some people that want to see, half a TikTok would want to see Rose and Drake's be good friends. The other half a TikTok wouldn't want to see them be friends. They just want them to fight. What if them become friends and them not get as much gift as them supposed to get? On the other side, what if they're not friends and that's the way or more income come? Which one are you going to stick with? I'm going to stick with the one where if the people them like the toxic shit and that's gonna make me get more money, me I go stick with the toxic shit because that I put money in my pocket. You better than go thief or do not. So yeah, if anything what you have to do for make a little earnings, you do. Swiftly and World Dog dress up in a costume, and that's how they entertain their chat to get gift. Dummy used to come out and act dumb, that's how him get gift. King Dolly and mad up in a theme house, run up and down and scream, that's how him get gift. Zozo cuss the whole internet, that's how him get gift. Britney just naturally mad and be herself, that's how she get gift. Stallion act like him a Batman, that's how him get gift. Jayden are the king of mix up on the app, try to put people to people, that's how him get gift. Ivany and her man them ever in an argument, that's how she get gift. Kavi always drunk over there and do makeup and quint up and stand up and a shake. That's how she get gift. Triple over fear life always a motivate people or to do business. That's how she get gift. Maya ever tell you no oh man wicked and you finna go hurry up and go breed. That's how she get gift. Rochelle always in a marriage argument and Kate. So everybody have them ways of how they gain gift on TikTok. So maybe yes, Rosealee and our baby father may be friends in a real life. Yeah, why we wouldn't want them to be friends? Them are baby father and I see how long then they, of course they will be friends off the internet. But if they see a way where they can receive and better income by just being toxic and not being friends on the internet to give the internet what they want, that's what they're going to do. Them probably put on a show up on the internet, but who to know Akeem, Rose, Drakes, Figure It Out, Diamond, the whole fuck 5-4 of them gonna be the bestest of friends in a real life. But the one of them tell themselves that boy money run fast and enough money are coming that we all know what we know in a real life. We know we good, we know we love each other, we know we dead for each other. But when we click with live, we just have to do this because that's so it go. And then just make their money. I say go. And that's how people will always have them income. And just people have to know how to save and invest when they get money and don't waste their money, because social media is a place where you always can forever make money. And you're not going to do it forever, but where you put your money and where you put it in an investment and where you do with it. So if you know for the internet, you have to just be smart. Me always tell people, once you give the people them what they want, you will forever make money. If you up on TikTok and I scroll and people say, boy Vanya cost everybody can rent you. Me go walk and cost everybody. I can prove it to them say you rent due for true. Because when you cost them, you're going to get gift and something. And you cost them and you do get your gift them. You understand what I say? Give them what they want and you get income. So, but the part where Rosealee is about Drake's finger, I think she just upset and just say anything. She don't really mean it. 3 times, guys. They don't left, guys. Nothing wrong. They my baby mother and baby father. Who want baby mother and baby father for them? Nobody. Yeah. No liar. Telling me the truth. Nobody don't want a baby mother and baby father live because it's safe space for kids grow and in the house with the mother and the father. How many I'm so the lady munch how many I'm Keke, the girl when I'm Mama Munch, what did the pan jerks are? Me not follow her, oh me go see her. Me follow her one time, but she didn't follow me, so me don't follow her back. No see her. She have to go add me on Sky when I do. Oh, she and Drake's gone pan dinner. That's why she want me to see. No, I'm not go. When one of them work, more coming in. Remember, I don't get exposed and Rosealee see more. Yeah, them not left, it's a work. Is she and Drake's the pan? Yes. The pan this year again. Oh, Jesus Christ, this is your balmy. Yes. Come, send your army. You send your army, I miss if you send your army.
Guys, now go end the live till I come back, you know. Guys, now.
some people, this are Jakes and Keke, I go Elsha. You see what I say? But we can't share when them reach over there because a pure music I play is it, so make me know what I think.
I got here, thanks. No. What you mean now? Okay. Oh, yes, I'm charged. Oh, we are going at dinner date. We're gonna eat some steamed fish by Elsha. So, hey girl, let me take it to Elsha. Oh, dinner. Tell Vani say me sorry in their foreign. Tell Vani say sorry. She's too far.